How to log in into Texas Roadhouse employee account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in Texas Roadhouse employee login and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, www.texasroadhouse.com. You will be directed to the login page. Once you're over here, you can easily provide your credentials and log into your account. First of all, type in your email address, then type in the password. If you want to save your login info, check in for the option Remember Me. In case you have forgotten your password, click on this option to recover it. If you want to create your account, you can click on Sign Up and go through the process. Once you are done typing all these, click on Login, and with that, you will be logged into your employee account. So, this is how you can easily log in into Texas Roadhouse employee account. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.